An increasing number of people are using the renowned online financial platform known as SoFi because of the wide range of services it provides, which includes refinancing student loans, investing, and even a debit card. However, if you are thinking about using SoFi's services, there is an important question that arises. Am I eligible? This video takes a deep dive into the qualifying requirements for the various products offered by SoFi, with a particular emphasis on geographical limits. In this section, we will investigate the present environment and offer insights to users from other countries who are interested in SoFi's financial solutions. SoFi primarily operates within the United States. This means most of its products and services are geared towards U.S. residents with a valid social security number. Here's a breakdown of eligibility based on SoFi's key offerings. Student loan refinancing. This flagship service targets U.S. citizens and permanent residents who have existing student loans. SoFi assesses your creditworthiness and offers potentially lower interest rates to help you save on your student debt burden. Investing. SoFi Invest allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Similar to student loan refinancing, you'll need to be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. SoFi Money. This is SoFi's checking and savings account offering. It features a debit card, ATM fee reimbursements, and competitive interest rates. Again, U.S. residency is a requirement. SoFi for international users. While SoFi's core services are currently limited to U.S. residents, there are a few ways international users can interact with the platform. Using SoFi debit card abroad. The good news is that the SoFi Money debit card operates on the MasterCard network. This allows you to use it for purchases and ATM withdrawals in over 130 countries, making it convenient for international travel. Investing with SoFi ETFs. SoFi offers a collection of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. While you may not be able to directly invest through SoFi Invest if you're outside the US, some international brokerages might offer these SoFi ETFs. However, this would be subject to the specific regulations and investment options of your chosen brokerage firm. The future of SoFi's global reach. The financial technology, fintech, landscape is constantly evolving, and SoFi might expand its services to other countries in the future. Here are some factors to consider. Regulatory landscape. Each country has its own set of financial regulations. SoFi would need to comply with these regulations to operate legally in a new market. Market demand. SoFi will likely assess the potential user base and market demand before venturing outside the US. Strong market demand could be a catalyst for international expansion. Partnerships. SoFi might collaborate with existing financial institutions in other countries to offer localized versions of its services. Alternatives for international users. If you're located outside the US and interested in similar financial services, here are some alternatives to consider. International student loan refinancing. Several companies specialize in refinancing student loans for international borrowers. Research and compare their rates and terms to find the best fit. Global investment platforms. Numerous online investment platforms cater to international users. Look for platforms that offer a variety of investment options and comply with regulations in your country. Digital banks. Many digital banks offer features similar to SoFi Money, including debit cards and mobile banking. Explore options available in your region. While SoFi's current eligibility criteria focus on U.S. residents, the platform offers international users some benefits, like using the SoFi debit card abroad. As the fintech industry continues to innovate, SoFi's global reach might expand in the future. For now, international users have access to alternative financial services that cater to their specific needs.